In this video, I'll show you how to make phone calls using Google Home.
This guide will walk you through the steps to make phone calls using Google Home. You can make calls to mobile phones, landlines, or contacts using voice commands. First, requirements. First, a Google Home device. Second, a smartphone with Google Assistant linked. Third, a working Wi-Fi connection. 4. Google Voice or a linked phone number. 5. A compatible phone number. Step 1. Set up Google Home. Plug in and power up your Google Home device. Install the Google Home app on your phone. Open the app and follow the instructions to link your Google Home device. Make sure your Google Assistant is set up. Step 2. Link phone number to Google account. Open Google Assistant on your smartphone. Go to Assistant Settings, Voice Match. Follow the steps to add and verify your phone number. If using Google Voice, link it via the settings. Step 3. Make a call. Say, "Hey Google, call," and then the contact name. Or, "Hey Google, dial," and then the phone number. Ensure your contact is linked to your Google account. If dialing manually, say the number you want to call. Step 4. Hands-free calling. Once a call is connected, speak as you normally would. Google Home will act as a speakerphone. To end the call, say, "Hey Google, hang up." You can also ask Google to call back someone from your recent call list. Ensure Google Assistant is enabled and set up properly. Verify that your Google Home device has a strong Wi-Fi connection. Check your phone number settings in the Google Assistant app. If calls are not going through, check Google Voice or linked phone accounts. Conclusion. Now you can make phone calls easily using your Google Home. Enjoy hands-free calling and stay connected with your contacts.